Welcome everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to open MTN mobile money on your phone. At first you need to go to office with your Ghana card or your voter's ID for MTN to open mobile money account for you. But for this one that I'm going to show you, no matter the kind of device that you are using, if you're using a YAM phone or an Android phone, you can create your own MTN mobile money on your phone, and you can use it to deposit and withdraw money from your device. So first of all, open your device and enter the code that MTN used to log into the mobile money portals. So this is the code. Then you click on it. So before I continue, I want you to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and if you have any question, just put it in the description for me to come and answer you. So I open this, I dial the code and open it. Then you see this prompt. So this says, welcome to mobile money, select 4-digit pin to activate. So for this side, you're going to enter a 4-digit pin. For you to withdraw or send money or buy airtime on mobile money, you need to make sure you have your 4-digit code. That is a secret code. You don't need to share it with anyone. So make sure that code, you won't share it to anyone, or you won't allow anybody to see that code. So you come in and enter that code. So once you are done, then you click on send. After clicking on send, you will see immediate message from MTN that shows that you have registered to MTN mobile money. After that, make sure you upload your wallet. You put money into your wallet so that your account will be activated for you, and you can use it, buy airtime, send money, pay bills, and do a lot from it. Thank you. Welcome. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Like and subscribe to our channel.